Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2005 Yamaha F115. This is a 20-inch. This one's being traded in. Gentleman's upgrading to a new VF 115. Compression came back at 150 PSI on all 4 cylinders. We'll go ahead and do the impeller, plugs, power head oil change, oil filter, gear lube. And then we pressure test the lower unit, make sure that's holding pressure, no leaky seals or anything like that. We'll go ahead and turn the water on, get it fired up here. Got good water coming out, tilt and trim's working there. Put it in forward. Neutral. Go ahead and put it in reverse. Back into neutral. Shut it off. Start it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.